Today, today we are starting practice set 5.2. Okay, we are done for practice set 5.1. So today we are starting practice set 5.2. In this, we are doing one formula: a plus b the whole cube. We are done a plus b the whole square. Now we are doing the sums based on a plus b the whole cube. What is the formula? The formula is like this here: a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula of a plus b the whole cube. What is the formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula we are using in the practice set 5.2. Okay, see carefully, very easy. And also we should know the cubes. The cubes, what is here? 1 cube is how much? 1. 2 cube is how much? 8. 3 cube is how much? 27. 4 cube is what? 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. And 8 cube is 512. And 9 cube is 729. Okay, these are the formulas. These are the cubes you should learn it. Okay, now come to the first term. The question is k plus 4 the whole cube. What is here? K plus 4 the whole cube. Now we know the formula. What is the formula? A plus b the whole cube. What is the formula? That is what? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So you have to replace a by what? K. So a should be replaced by what? K. And b should be replaced by what? 4. Okay, I'm writing the question once again. See carefully. K plus 4 the whole cube. So in the place of a, what do you write? K. In the place of b, what do you write? 4. So what is a cube? Means k cube plus what is here? 3 into a square means what? K square into b 4 plus, I write plus like this here. Then what is the next number? 3 into a, that is k, b square, that is what? 4 square, then plus sign, then b cube, that is what? 4 cube. K cube is what? K cube only, plus 3 into k square is what? K square into 4. Underline this one. This is one term. Plus 3 into k into what is 4 square? 16 plus sign. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is almost 64. Underline this term also. That is k cube plus multiply this. 3 4s are 12 k square plus sign. 16 3s are 48 k plus 64. That's enough. See once again the formula. Substitute the value. What is the value of a? K, that is k cube. 3 into a square, that is k square, into b 4. 3 a is k into b square, that is 4 square plus 4 cube. Understand? Very simple. Any doubt? Okay, we'll go to next question. The next question is 7x plus 8y the whole cube. Now what is your a? When you compare this one, what is your a? So a is 7x, b is how much? 8y. So I'm writing once again the question: 7x plus 8y the whole cube. What is a? 7x, b 8y. A cube is what? 7x the whole cube plus 3 into a square means what, 7x the whole square into b, that is what, 8y, then plus sign, okay, and what is here, 3 into a, that is 7x, into b square, that is what, 8y the whole square, plus b cube, that is what, 8y the whole cube. Any doubt? Then this cube is for both. This cube is for both. What is 7 cube? 343 x cube plus 3 into, now this is square for both. What is 7 square? 49 x square into 8y plus 3 into 7x. This square of this one, that is 64y. 8 cube 512, that is 512y cube. Okay, that is 343x cube plus multiply this whole term. How we multiply? First I keep a 3 8s are how much? 24. So 49 into 24. 4 9s are 36. 3 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. Cross 2 9s are 18. 2 4s are 8, 9. Added. That is 6, 17 and 11. That is 1176 x square y plus, same way multiply this term. 3 7s are 21. 21 into 64. 21 into 64. 1 4s are 4. 1 6s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. Add, that is 4, 14, 1, 3, 1. So 1, 3, 4, 4, x, your y square, sorry, y square plus 512 y cube. Got it? Come to the third sum. Very simple, only formula you should learn it. And you should know the cube. Now the third sum. What is the third sum? 7 plus m the whole cube. When you compare, a should be replaced by what? 7 and b should be replaced by what? M. I am writing the question once again. 7 plus m the whole cube. What is a? A should be replaced by what? 7. B should be replaced by what? M. A cube, that is 7 cube plus 3 into a square, that is what? 7 square into b, that is m, plus 3 into a 7 into b square, that is what? M square, plus b cube, that is what? M cube. What is 7 cube? See the answer. 343 plus 3 into 7 square, 49 into m, plus 3 into 7 into m square plus m cube. This you have to multiply. This you have to multiply. So this will be 343 plus 49 3s are multiply 49 3s are 3 9s are 27, 2 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, 147. M 3 7s are 21 m square plus m cube. That's enough. Any doubts, students? Now we'll go to sum number 4th. Sum number 4th. Now this sum is different. Here some numbers are given. What is the number given? 52 the whole cube. 52 the whole cube. Please student, don't multiply like this. 52 into 52 into 52. No, this is not the way. We have to expand 52. We have to expand 52. So 52 can be expanded as 50 plus 2 the whole cube. Right? 52 can be expanded as 50 plus 2 the whole cube. When you compare this one, what is the A value? 50. B value is how much? 2. So I'm writing once again, 52 whole cube is equal to 50 plus 2 the whole cube. Now A should be replaced by what? 50. B should be replaced by 2. So A cube, that is 50 the whole cube, plus 3 into 50 the whole square, into B 2, plus 3 into A, that is 50 into 2 square plus 2 cube. Any doubt? Now 50 cube, don't multiply 50 cube. What is 5 cube? What is 5 cube? 5 cube is how much? 125. Write 125. 0 cube is how much? 3 zeros. This way. See here. 5 cube is how much? 125. 0 cube is how much? 3 zeros. That's enough. Simple. 3 into 50 square, that is 5 square is how much? 25. And 0 square we write 2 zeros. This way you can do simple way. Into how much? 2 plus 3 into 50 into 4 plus 2 cube is how much? 8. Multiply this term and multiply this term. So this 1,25,000 plus multiply 3 into 25, 75. How much? 75. 75 into 2. 75 into 2 is what? 150. 150. And these 2 zeros. That is 15,000 plus 3 5s are 15. 15 4s are 60. 60 and 1 0 plus 8. Now we have to add this one. I'll write here 1 2 5 0 0 0 plus 1 5 0 0 0 plus how much? 600 plus 8. Add this one. 8 0 6 10 4 and 1. Okay, so the answer is 140608. That is 1,40,608. Okay, any doubt?